When Alice got in touch with me, we had to make a plan. At first, I just wanted to get back at Jack, give him a taste of his own medicine, you know?
But we all know that's a bad idea. Becoming the bully yourself just means you might get in trouble too. Not good. So we started taking screenshots of all the mean posts. We saved them in an online folder and Tilly shared the folder with me.
Then I deleted them off my phone and blocked Jack. What a relief.
Next, we knew it was time to tell Tilly's parents what was going on. We also went to Miss Ashton, our form teacher.
It helped to know that Alice was going with me to talk to them. We showed all the evidence. Miss Ashton got Mrs. Daniels, our school's IT support officer, to help me and my parents work out how to adjust the privacy settings on all my apps so only friends and family can see or comment on anything I post. Plus, I learnt how to block people from contacting me or sending messages if I don't want them to. It was a relief to finally come forward and get some help. The school even got in touch with Jack's parents, and I think they had a meeting with Miss Ashton too. I'll never really know what happened. I know they're respecting his privacy too. But Jack became a little bit nicer after that and at least left me alone online.
I'm really glad I spoke up. I realised that cyberbullying really affects everyone involved, not just the person being bullied. Just because it was happening to Tilly this time doesn't mean it won't happen to me or Sam, Sophie or Nathan or anyone else. At some point, it's better to speak up and support someone when you notice they're being bullied. Plus, even Jack got some help and seems to be doing better these days. Anyone can be an ally. It's up to us to be part of the solution.